Okay, so here we are. We're making a falling apple game on Scratch. Here's how it works. You have a basket, you drop it into the apples, it has a score going up. I'm just going to tell you how to make it. Let's get on into the video. So I have my Sprite 1 here, which is my basket and my apple. So first up, we're just going to get the default controls for the basket going on. So we want to be moving left and right to catch the apples, and we're going to make it with a slightly more advanced technique than just when spacebar pressed move 10 steps, because that's just a bit like, that's really slow and clunky. So we're going to be doing it in a bit of a more advanced way. So just follow close, I'm sure you'll get it. So we're going to make it when the A key is pressed, when I'm pressing the A key on my button, forever. If the A key is being pressed, so if key is pressed, then we're going to repeat until it's not pressed. So it's not currently being held down, I released my finger off it. And for all that time we're going to be changing X by -10. And here it just gives you a lovely little thing. So now we're just going to do the same for D key. I won't waste your time. Okay, there we go. We've done pretty much the same just by D now. We've made it 10. So this method of moving the sprite more of relies on it constantly moves with no delay until you release your finger off of the D button or A button. So you can just move around just like this. So yeah, hope you got that down. Now we need to program the apple, and we need to make it so it's constantly falling down. So when the green flag is clicked forever, we are going to be wanting for it to be falling. So we're going to be changing Y by -10, just like that. It falls. There we go. And we want to make it so it spawns in like a random position on here when you start the game and when it ends. So we're going to be making it so so we're going to be setting the x-axis to a random. So we're going to do from all the way from -194 all the way to, let's see, 207. So the apple can now spawn in any place on the x-axis from 194 to 207. Like if I just keep on spamming this, going back up here, look, it goes ahead and goes ahead. Yep. So it doesn't spawn in the place, so I want it picks random. Now we're gonna just set Y to up here, so Y would be 141 here. So let's make this 141. Now whenever I start the game, it starts at the top. And now that's done, we're going to be making it so when the sprite 1 touches the apple, then it's going to be disappearing, coming back to the top and adding a point to your score. So we're going to be doing that by when green flag is clicked forever. If the apple or the sprite, see, if the apple is touching sprite 1, so if touching sprite 1, then we want it to move back up to the top. So we're going to want it to move, set Y to 141, and then just pretty much copy this down. Again, I won't waste your time. Okay, we're back. We've got that. So now, when it tests it, it goes back up to the top. And now, all we need to do now is make a quick variable to add a score. So, if you don't know what a variable is, it's basically you make a... It's kind of hard to explain, but you make something. For example, it could be a score. And if you press the tick, it appears on the top of the screen. So it could be like a volume controller. It could be pretty much anything. And then it sets it to 0. So you can make it like gravity or something. And it's so you can make some really cool projects. But I might make a whole video on that. So we're going to be wanting the score to forever. Well, no, not forever, but we're going to be wanting that so when the apple does touch the basket, the score goes up and you've just received 1 point. So we're just going to slot change my variable, but we're going to make this score. So change score by 1. Now, when you click it, it changes the score. And you have your falling apple game. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe for more just helpful videos and stuff. If you like these tutorials, please like the video. And please comment what I should do next if you guys are in distress of any scratch situations. But anyway, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace.